How to replace power supply HP LaserJet Pro M402dn. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the power board of the HP LaserJet Pro M402dn printer. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share to support me. Welcome to the Tech Fix, Printer and Copy channel. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share to support me. If this video reaches 1,000 views within a week, I will make a detailed repair guide for the power board of the HP LaserJet Pro M402dn and share it with you. Now, let's get started with the power board replacement process. And don't forget to leave a comment letting me know where you're from and what repair tutorials you'd like to see next. Thank you so much. You can see this stain here. It's caused by a user spilling coffee on the printer lid, which then seeped inside and short-circuited the power board, leading to a power failure in the printer. When using a printer, never place food or drinks on top of it. Protect your health and ensure your printer operates smoothly by avoiding spills that could damage internal components. When a short circuit like this happens, the fuses usually blow, working together with the protection circuit to safeguard the power supply. In some cases, simply replacing the fuse can restore normal operation. However, in less fortunate situations, the power supply components may be damaged. Stay tuned for my upcoming power board repair video to learn how to fix it. That's it. We've successfully replaced the power board, and the printer is now working perfectly again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. Leave a comment to let me know where you're from and what repair tutorials you'd like to see next. Much love to you all.